Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS, Apply Visual Design. And we're going to learn more about the CSS transform property, taking into skewY as the function. So skewX function, we can skew that element through the x-axis, but you can also skew it to the y-axis vertically. And this function takes in degrees as well. So for this exercise, we want to skew the element with the ID of top -10 degrees along the y-axis by using the transform property. So the top is here. Let me move my face. The top is here. So we want to transform. I'll just type it out. Transform. And we do skew y. And we want to do -10 degrees. And there you go. You see how it skews accordingly to this. And that's it. Thank you so much.